Hello everyone, did you know all types of edible mushroom? There are about 10,000 types of mushrooms worldwide. They are not obviously all edible. We want to focus mostly on those commonly available, even if expensive and great in cooking. Here are the 21 most common types of mushrooms. Number 1. Beech mushrooms. Number 2. Button mushrooms. Number 3. Chanterelle mushrooms. Number 4. Chestnut mushrooms. Number 5. Cremini mushrooms. Number 6. Enoki mushrooms. Number 7. Giant puffball mushrooms. Number 8. Hedgehog. Number 9. King oysters. Number 10. Lion's mane mushrooms. Number 11. Lobster mushrooms. Number 12. Maitake mushroom. Number 13. Matsutake mushrooms. Number 14. Morel mushroom. Number 15. Oyster mushrooms. Number 16. Porcini mushrooms. Number 17. Portobello mushrooms. Number 18. Truffle mushrooms. Number 19. Russula mushrooms. Number 20. Shiitake mushrooms. And number 21. Shimeji mushroom.